Hey, this is Chap Nord from WPLearning101.com. Today I wanted to let you know about I built an AI WordPress coach for beginners that's 100% free for you. So if you're new to WordPress or you've been doing WordPress maybe for, almost a year or a little longer, but you still have questions, sign up for 100% free to my WPLearning101.com website. Very simple. You can just go over the website if you want and read more about it, or what you can do is just get started and start learning WordPress right away. So I'm going to show you exactly how this free WordPress AI coach works, okay? So you just click right here, start learning WordPress for free today. You put your name right there, you put your information, then you put your email address. Click right here so you can make sure that you agree with everything, and then keep this checked. This will just keep you informed about what's going on with changes at our site and how it can help you in your business. Okay, so what we do is we just click on right here, place your order, which is free. So it just tells us we need to confirm the email. So just come over here, and then right here, it's going to say, we received your order. And it's going to come right here, and it says confirm your WP Learning 101 free training account. So you just click right here. You just click on that. And then what you do is you just create like a password. I'm just gonna create a very simple one. All right, let's see here. Make sure it matches here. All right, matches there. So now we're going to go like this, set password and start training. So just click right here. It's very simple. Then make sure you save it when you're ready. And then what you can do is you can come right over here and you can start on your training here. This is the first video. You just scroll right here, then you just click and you watch it. And then over here on the left side, you can click on any one of these topics right here. Okay, there's 31 videos. And then here is the WordPress AI coach. Okay, so basically all you do is you just come over here. It says, have a question about this video, ask below, and I will walk you through the step-by-step. So, basically, if you come up here and it says, how to buy a domain name part 1, you can just go like this. Let's say that's your question, okay? But it's any question that you have that's, it doesn't even need to be about this video. You just come down right here. You can either ask it right here, just type it in, or you can speak it, and then when you're done, you just stop, and you just click it right here. So I'm just going to do this as a sample right here so you can see. So we just click ask. What's happening is it's going right here, going through the system, and this is actually trained as a WordPress expert, so it knows exactly what to do. It'll give you step-by-step. So basically what you do is you just go right here. It says how to buy a domain name. And then right here, buying a domain name is straightforward. It gives you the steps right here. It shows you exactly what you need to do. It gives you important information here. It gives you beginner tips, and then best next steps. And then what you do is you just go right here, and it will take you to the page where you can actually see more videos for videos 1 and 2 of buying a domain name. But you can just come back over here to the left, and it's very simple. And if you have other kind of questions, like let's say, what are WordPress widgets, right? Say you don't know what WordPress widgets are. There's so many things in WordPress that some people don't even have a clue about still. So you just type that in there. So we just go right here and it's still thinking. So we just wait. Does it really quick. So then we can just come right back here. Like here's the one right here about the first one that we did. So just sometimes you have to scroll up, and it says understanding WordPress widgets. And if you go right here, you can read all here, and it goes step by step explaining to you how to find the widgets, what widgets are, and all that good stuff there. So what I want you to do is I want you to, if you want to sign up today for the WordPress training so you can get free access, because this is 100% free access, okay? You don't have to pay for this. This is free. You get the free WordPress AI trainer. Just sign up like I showed you. Put your name, your email address, click enter, confirm it. Like I said, it's free. And then you'll be taken to this page, and you can start your WordPress adventure and start building your business so you can increase your traffic, leads, and sales. Like I said, we cover a lot of topics. And if you have any kind of questions, post them below in the comments area, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, usually within 24 to 48 hours. But like I said, the link is below this video. If you like this video, make sure you share with other people that would like to learn WordPress, and like and share this video again, post it on social media and all that good stuff. And again, thanks again. This is Chap Nova, and I hope you enjoy the WP Learning 101 training course with the free WordPress 101 AI questions and answer system for you, your personal coach for WordPress, so it can take your business to the next level. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.